This is the case with a lot of sitting now. After using it for a long time, the flushing force is very small. It may have to be rushed twice every time it is used up. It must be no problem to flush with a bucket, but the natural impulse seems a little bit small. You see it like this. Just a few pieces of paper. It's obviously sagging fast. But it's boring to rush. I didn't expect it was just a few sheets of paper. Can't go down with just that. Look, it's here, isn't it? In fact, in this case, you can't even consider having a stool. Saw it. Just use my weapon to solve the problem. Take a closer look. There is a flush at the front end of each toilet seat. If your family has been using toilet for 7 or 8 years, never cleared, then 9 times out of 10, it's blocked. Like this. We can do it with a small tool. You can observe the seat cushion of your own home for yourself. It may not be obvious on the surface. If you poke in, you will feel that it has formed a hard lump inside. If the spout is blocked badly, you might also consider using a hammer. Tap a few times, but I have to say, don't look for me if you're going to smash it up front. Just to be on the safe side, then you are like me. Give it a good poke with the tools I make. Twice more. This can also remove the urine alkali inside, or the scale turns off. Just a little trouble. Don't be negligent. You need to poke the back as well. There's a lot of poo. It will be very congested at the back. If you feel it's almost there, then you can try flushing it yourself. Check the effect. I don't see the effect like this, but it's not obvious. It means there is something else in it, and don't forget to touch the inside. There must be a lot of water and fat that has been shed. Do the best you can. Better cut it out piece by piece. The more limescale you dig out, that means the better you do. Look at how many big pieces I've already deducted. Just this stuff, it's enough to make the toilet flush bad. And if that's when you feel that much better, then try flushing again. If it doesn't work, then rush again. As long as you ensure that the flush is not blocked, then the flush will definitely get bigger, and the effect is obvious. Look at me, has this changed a lot? Then throw a piece of paper and see the effect. See if there is any change. But don't you forget, that's not the whole solution. If you want to solve it completely, then you are like me. Pour a little more, like this special urine alkali descaler. Poured on the night before. Washed away the next day, 2 to 3 consecutive days. Then this problem should be completely solved. After pouring, don't forget to stir the descaling agent. Well, take a look. After pouring it in for 10 minutes, it becomes like this. It can be seen that he is concerned about the urine alkali scale inside. What difference does it make? If your toilet doesn't work well anymore, then you can try it my way. I think it will definitely give you a surprise.